It appears like there are hints of life in the market today. The community is pleased that the price of Shiba Inus has increased. Signals are being dropped by analysts. There has been a huge increase, with about 1 trillion Shiba Inus in motion. The odd aspect, though, is that another bombshell was just revealed. The restriction on Shiba Inus has been lifted. What am I even talking about, and what is going on? Let me clarify. Asterisk, asterisk, warning, asterisk, asterisk. Shiba Inu is having a busy day. The community is buzzing with excitement as the price suddenly took off, rising by almost 1.22% today. Shiba Inu appears to have jumped right back into action after yesterday's plodding, somewhat dull price activity, which included brief dips that left many wondering what would happen next. The atmosphere has now changed entirely. The traditional enthusiasm is returning, confidence is growing, and the bulls are taking over. This type of day serves as a reminder to everyone of the reasons they adore this token. Shiba Inu moves and catches everyone's attention once more just when it seems like everything is peaceful. The fascinating part, though, is that this isn't just any old price pump. Analysts are speculating about a potential breakthrough since Shiba Inu has actually moved into a critical area. If momentum continues to develop, the current situation could lead to Shiba Inus going on an even greater run. According to the charts, Shiba Inu recently overcame a long-standing resistance level that had been preventing it from rising. It is currently positioned close to a significant retracement level, which traders keep a close eye on since a break above it could signal a much more robust rally in the future. The formation of a traditional bullish pattern, which frequently indicates a change from sluggish momentum to a full-on breakout, is one of the most notable things attracting attention at the moment. Just above Shiba Inu's current location is the crucial level to observe. A strong jump from here would be the next significant goal, and if the price pushes past this, it might initiate a larger rally. Additionally, momentum indicators are showing a green flash. The trend is strengthening and the buying pressure is increasing. We may soon witness a larger price expansion as the market is heating up and the squeeze continues. Another indication that bulls are currently in control is the price's continued strength above a significant moving average. Of course, things aren't always easy. Before a more significant move occurs, Shiba Inu may pull back if it loses momentum and falls below important support zones. However, the current setup appears promising, and this breakout might be the start of something more significant if all goes according to plan. However, you may wonder, why? What is the real reason behind this price movement? Let's take a moment to zoom out and see the wider picture. As it happens, Bitcoin is also moving. It recovered after falling to about the mid-$90,000 mark and is currently holding constant at a somewhat higher level. Additionally, as we have repeatedly observed, Shiba Inu and the rest of the market follow Bitcoin's movements. The rationale, then? It all seems to boil down to the recent policy changes made by the U.S. Federal Reserve. You see, the markets were just given a surprise by inflation. Everyone rethought what the Fed would do next after the most recent figures came in higher than anticipated. This first caused markets to decline. However, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies suddenly recovered. The fascinating thing about this reaction is that it differs from previous ones. Normally, investors would flee due to concerns about inflation and postponed rate reduction. But this time, they remained firm, and others are taking notice of that resiliency. It seems as though the market is beginning to perceive inflation threats differently, and rather than panicking, there is a prevailing trust in cryptocurrencies as a hedge. What's crazy, though, is that whales may be giving away clues that something big is approaching. Exchange inflows have skyrocketed, which may indicate that the cryptocurrency market is preparing for another significant shift if history is any indication. Analysts say that something out of the ordinary is taking place. Whale transfers to exchanges have increased to levels we haven't seen in almost 5 years, according to data from CryptoQuant. And that is significant. When this type of activity increases, a significant price change frequently follows. The whale exchange ratio, which measures the proportion of top inflows from the largest players, is one important indicator to keep an eye on. It surged to a level we haven't seen since December, when Bitcoin was hinting at all-time highs on February 12. Furthermore, it's not just whales that are moving. Suddenly, cryptocurrency miners who have been liquidating their holdings for months are keeping their coins. Usually that indicates that they anticipate price increases. Actually, this type of change, miners ceasing to sell, has frequently signaled the end of a cycle before the market surges once more. In light of the miners' perseverance and the whales filling up, there appears to be a significant event approaching. In what time frame will it occur? For Shiba Inus, this may be absolutely enormous. As everyone knows, when Bitcoin moves, it doesn't stop there. It shakes the market as a whole. What about meme coins? They have a way of taking those waves and making them even more bizarre. Shiba Inu might be in for a wild trip if Bitcoin is indeed preparing for a significant breakthrough. There are already indications that Shiba Inu is gaining significant traction. Key resistance levels are being tested, the price action appears to be robust, and analysts are beginning to conjecture that a breakout may be imminent. The situation is now looking even better as miners are keeping their coins rather than selling them and Bitcoin whales are making moves. Shiba Inu may benefit greatly from the additional attention that Bitcoin will bring to the market if it begins to pump hard. Not to mention that when the market is favorable, Shiba Inus have a history of making bold decisions. It has previously gone on wild rallies, and with this kind of momentum building, there's a good probability that we'll witness something similar occur once more. Is the Shiba Inu poised to reach new heights? Undoubtedly, it is not impossible. A significant enough push can rekindle the excitement, attract new customers, and cause the price to soar. Are we at last going to be able to recoup all of those losses? Is the era of sluggish and annoying pricing movement finally over? That's the big question then. Anything can happen in the market because it is so unpredictable. However, one thing is certain, things are rapidly intensifying, and this might be the beginning of something really significant. And that's not all. South Korea recently dropped a huge bombshell. They formally opened the doors for additional chances in the cryptocurrency area, just as interest in the industry is rising. Yes, Shiba Inus are included in it. The financial regulator in South Korea has finally lifted its 7-year prohibition on institutional investors trading cryptocurrency. It's a big thing. Global demand for cryptocurrency investment products has been increasing, and South Korea is also joining the trend. Later this year, businesses that are listed on the local stock exchange will be able to trade digital assets on a trial basis under the new regulation. This implies that large sums of money from a nation that has historically shown a keen interest in digital currencies may begin to pour into the cryptocurrency market. This is revolutionary for Shiba Inus. Although South Korea has long been a major center for cryptocurrency, institutional investors were kept out of the market by stringent rules. We may witness a surge of fresh capital entering the market now that the gates are finally opened. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. Make sure to click on one of the videos displayed on the screen if you're interested in learning more. Consequently, this concludes the video. Turn on the channel's notifications bell if you liked the video. Don't take the chance of losing money if you miss a crucial Shiba Inu update. Additionally, please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can. Let's spread the word about this.